Got my little getting ready. And it's time to do the deed. Back to another Minnesota day. As you can see, like every other video, it's raining. So basically, the G80 intakes today. Downpipe probably next week, and then ship out the ECU with our friend Angel at CZR or CRZ Performance. But yeah, till then, gonna do downpipes intakes today. No, downpipes soon. Probably 2 days from today. And then tune it. Flex fuel, port injection, manifold. Boom, bam, bow. Ice on my neck, cost like 5K. So here's the little outlay, just to get the gist of it for the people at home. This is how it's gonna be sitting with the intakes in the front. We went with red because red bolts make it look pretty, you know. Getting the front bumper off. This is gonna be a perfect time to change the front grille too. Boom, one box is out. Now time to go into this next one. Box number 2 is out. Pretty self-explanatory. It just sits on there in these pressure, whatever they're called, suction. And then 2 clips right here. And then it's these the wiggly clips, you know what I'm saying? Right on, that connects to the inlets. That's next, and then I'll be putting in the new piping. I don't have the housing, so I don't even have to cut anything, because I just took it out, and then new carbon, real one, putting in after this. And then I don't know, downpipes probably next week or something, and then I'm putting the car down, taking out the ECU, taking out the seat, restitching the seat, and then she'll be Gucci, Gucci coochie. This being our first time with the S58, as you can tell, we are having some problems, fitment issues. But I think it's because it's a Chinese kit, but it's gonna be all right. I'm just gonna attempt to slide it in somehow. You can see the inlet there, and this is how far I got it in. I don't want to scratch it either too much, but I don't know.
You put air right on there.
Working on the real carbon grill over here. Then I got one. It looks good, huh? We got both these. Oh. It's gonna look mean.
I'd go filters for sure from the OEM.
Yeah. Oil is.
So I flipped up these filters. The shorter one, put it here. Yeah. And then the longer one, now I switched it. Ну что случилось по-русски?
У нас все как всегда. Все
Все
хорошо.
хорошо.
Только надо переделать. Это все херня, Миш, начинай сначала.
The last piece of the puzzle is now just getting everything tightened up.
Вот это вот, которая боковая.
Looks sweet. Everything's back together. She's 100%. Intakes are in it. Now we're gonna start it up, see how it sounds. Man, this thing sounds good now.
Окей, вот эту вот часть я тебе, наверное, знаешь, что сделаю? Выточу.
Well, I'm 240 with the